You've made it to the final episode of the Massive Darkness Massive Unboxing. Congratulations. I admire your dedication. Enjoy the finale to this massive unboxing. Have a good time.
Get back here this instant! Oh.
Thank you. Oh, I love you too. I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, I know this camera's a little close at the moment. But we're gonna get these things out of the box soon enough. And then we'll see what's the what. Oh my god. We're gonna be here forever. I might have to put this video out in separate parts. I think I'm gonna have to put the video out in separate parts. I'm putting the video in separate parts. And I'm gonna entitle it Massive Darkness, Massive Unboxing, Part 1 through 10. And ask you guys, do you think I should make it, an hour each video or something? But you're not really gonna give me an answer in time. Okay. Oh, but it's the bear. I wanted this bear. That was Hug Bear. Oh my god. The unicorn. Oh shit. That is, we're opening this last out of this box. That looks freaking awesome. 4 Horsemen. Okay. Right? Yeah, what's this? Oh, this one's heavy. Heavenfall. And Demon Dragon. Campaign box. Oh, dude. Get so much wrapping garbage. Dude, this looks epic. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Maybe I'll do... No. Should I do a video per box? No, because some of them are pretty short. No, sorry. This is not something I'll discuss with Brittany later. But I don't think I can put this out in one video. It'd be like a 4-hour unboxing. Which I know there's people out there that like it. But maybe Brittany's always wanted me to do our bigger unboxings, which is like every unboxing, in separate videos. This would be a good trial run of that system, see if that works. I didn't see the back of this. I don't know what's in here. I'm assuming one big giant dragon and a campaign booklet. Let's see. I gotta tell you, this cover, it's got me excited. Okay. It's a very light box, so it enforces the big mini, not a lot of cardboard or paper. This box lid, although I like cube boxes. Unlidding is losing points left, right, center. This is gonna get a 1 for unlidding. It's too light. I don't want to see the back. I can't get this out. Okay. I can't get it out. Like if I tilt it over, I can get it out, but I don't want to see the back. I don't want to see the back. And I don't want to show you guys the back. Got it. All right, unlidding score 1. Okay. Man, that was a lot of work. Lowest unlidding score I've ever given anything. It was not an enjoyable unlidding. But it's gonna be an enjoyable unboxing. Oh baby. Let's see what we got. So we got our A little rulebook here. Some stuff. Oh, that's under the plastic. I thought you could pick it up. Alright. Hold on. Ooh. See that later. Let's open this first. Again, great for, keeping it safe, getting the product to your homes for unboxings. Not so great. But I appreciate you keeping my stuff safe. Alright. So, there's our dragon. Dragon Nightmare Encounter. Oh, there's info. I haven't seen that on the back of any boss cards, so there's more stuff. Does he have multiple levels to him? He's 60 health per hero? Holy snapdragons. 35 per hero on that side. I hope you don't fight all these sides. And this darkness track looks terrifying because here, normally you have this stuff at the top. So every time you activate one of these, you do like, oh, add a roaming hero, add a rare treasure to the loot bag, add a mob to all the portals, etc. Now you got a bunch of dragons. You got a bunch of dragon stuff down here, which is going to be terrifying. And then you flip it over, and it's even worse. Okay. Worse in like a terrifying, scary, good adventure way, but you're going to get killed. You're going to die. Okay. Assuming that's the tile of our defeat. I'm assuming that's where the dragon will devour our souls. Okay. Oh. Be careful with that. Alright. And now, check out some cards. I don't think, not since the Cthulhu mini, have I had to leave the camera this high to look at a mini before. We got the giant Galactus mini coming too for Marvel Zombies. Oh, that's gonna be good stuff. Okay, mob level 10. So we got mob levels at 10. We got a bunch of dragon stuff. Okay, so let's look at this first. What is it? Oh, these are, it's more loot. Yeah, for the size of the cards, duh, it's the mob weapons, and the loot they drop. Okay, looks like some scary stuff going on there. What is legendary? I'm assuming that's legendary, right? It's white, I think white is legendary. And then, look at all these. What are we doing with all these? Somebody wrote that it was the cardboard that ruined her brother's fingers. This is happening while I'm recording this. Like all of these, it's like paper cuts and the cardboard are drying out my skin like crazy. Which is unfortunate for a guy who does a lot of unboxings. Okay, so the back of those are all the same. Just gonna go through a few of them. Assuming this is things that the dragon does. I'm not actually reading them, just kind of giving you a quick glance. Okay, I'm sure all this stuff is terrifying. So, now let's look at some, whoa. Okay, so let's look at our cultists. They look pretty cool. They look very occulty. Like, this is when I imagine it, a cult. This is what I imagine. Okay. And when I think of cult leaders, that's pretty much what I picture. Alright, now, let's look at this giant dragon. I don't even know how we're gonna look. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Come on, get it. Oh, he's got so much stuff on him. He's wrapped in like a toy. He's huge. He's huge. I love that he doesn't have a base. He doesn't have like a big round disc base. He actually just stands on his own. Look at him. He's a massive mini. Yeah, he's no Cthulhu sized or Galactus sized, but he's huge. Okay, check this out. I gotta try to figure out a better way to show you guys this. 1 second. Okay, I was trying to find a better camera angle for you guys. This guy's massive. Look at him. He's fantastic. He's beautiful. Oh baby, I like this. Fighting. I want to fight this thing right now, but I don't. Look at the detail on his like scales, his face. We're gonna get even closer on this guy. Love the angry look on his face. He's cool. Usually when you get dragons, they have big wings. I like wings on dragons, but I like this guy. He hasn't got wings. Look at him. Oh, get that over there. Now, look at him compared to a cultist. Like that guy's... He's dead. He's gonna die. Look at this. Right? How cool is that? That's gonna be an epic fight. Okay, it's getting closer. Come on. Put this thing away. Put this away. Oh, that's the dog's freaking out. They sense there's a dragon in the house. They probably feel threatened by this thing. Face kind of looks like Hitch, actually. Looks so good. Alright. Well, that's that. Wow. Looks great. Sorry for all the rocking. It's because I keep zooming in and out for you guys to see this. He sits in there. There you go. That's where he sits. That's where he lives. I really want to play with that thing. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay, we're getting, what are we looking at now? Heavenfall. Okay. Sitting angels that fell from heaven. Okay, I like the artwork of that tree. It's like a heavenly tree. Yeah, let's unlid this. Okay, now this feels substantial. Oh, it was good. Good. 3. It was a 3. It was good though. It's a good 3. Solid 3. Alright, so we got quite a few scenarios in here. Looks like some additional rules. And this, from what I glanced from what we just looked through, this is the town. Caught that from the corner of my eye. Oh, we already have that many. We don't have that one though. But I guess it makes sense to... Why not use the same minis for different missions? He's a big heavenly mini. Makes sense to have him in this Heavenfall mission. What is this like? I like this little town. You can go buy stuff there. Very cool. That's exciting. Looking forward to trying that. This looks like the rogues tokens. Some more stuff they can buy. These levels are... Why are they white? Are they double-sided? They are. That's how we can get to level 10. Oh yeah, he needs 40. Ooh, okay. Alright. Oh yeah, it is. There are additional rogue tokens. Because the rogue pulls tokens out of bags that benefit certain actions that she takes. You have these tiles. I like the colors. Nice change of pace from the dark, dingy dungeons. You got some like heavenly scenery here. Well, I think the robe would actually kick ass here because the robe can make the lit areas shadowy, unless there's a rule in the scenario where she can't. But it makes sense because, like, even in the brightest areas, she can take advantage of the shadows or make her own shadows. Okay. Ooh, minis. Get those in a bit. Roman monsters, here we go. Okay, so we got a lot of... Bring them up. Okay, so these are Roman monsters that we've seen. We have these minis in the core box. I'm guessing these are different abilities for them. Since we're now playing to level 10, they might have spread out their abilities. Or maybe they're changed specifically to deal with this campaign, which is more likely the situation. But this guy's new. Archangel Raphael. I guess when turtles die, that's what they turn into. Alright. Let us... Oops. Come here. Come on. Let's check out some mobs? That's not a mob. What is this? What is this stuff? I don't know what this is. A bunch of it, though. Are they the same? Are they reference cards? They look like reference cards. On the other side of these. Hellfire Wizard, Darkbringer Wizard. Since there's so many of them, I'm guessing they're reference cards. Yeah, I could read them. Who would need to guess after if I did that then? Alright. Yeah, these are mobs that we've seen in the core. But there's gotta be something different about them. Because my brain isn't processing any differences at the moment. But you can see the text if you want to read it and see the difference. Here you go. Okay. This makes sense. In the upgraded dice, I got some swirly green and red dice, and I didn't know what they were for because they're not used for anything else. I assumed they were in one of these boxes, and here they are. But do these work? The upgraded ones worked. Bam! They work. Approved. Board Game Coffee approved dice. 100% they work. You know, we've been testing dice for a long time. I think only one time did we have a die that didn't work, which was interesting. It was broken. It was a broken die. Like it had a chunk cut out of it. And like a bad mold. And it could sit on that corner, so it was a broken die. These tests are not for nothing. Okay, so don't know what campaigns work because there's no campaigns in the core box. These are in order to 30, 1 to 30, so probably mixed a lot of these up before, but I'm not going to mix these up because I want to keep them in numbered order, so there's so much variety. What the hell is that? Don't know. I'm not even finished like level 1 of I've skipped the tutorial, the actual level 1. I'm not finished that yet, and I want to jump to fighting angels and get it going level 10. Just in case you can see that. And I don't think I'm ready for it, honestly. I think I'd get my ass handed to me. Because I'm still so new, I'm still referencing the, okay, so there's 3 of each of these. Oh no, there's 2 of these. I'm still referencing like the quick reference guide on the back of like which order things happen. But I'm getting there. Getting there. What was this thing I fell in? What is that? Stone knuckles. Oh, they're actual knuckles. Like, okay. It's weird. What do we got here? We got some. These items are seriously getting leveled up. I like all these bow and arrows because the character I was using, mind you, by the time I get here I might not be using them anymore because there's so many characters and I want to try them all. Alright. Looks like as soon as I get the chance, I'm going to have me a sleeving party. Netflix and sleeve. I'm sorry, a new ad campaign. Netflix and sleeve. Or maybe they have Netflix and chill, so we need something else. Like maybe we need to go like Disney. Disney Plus and sleeve. Their stuff's too good. You can't look away. Prime, perfect. Amazon Prime and sleeve, because there's a lot of garbage on Prime. Okay, so don't actually know what those are for. I read the rule books, but I don't know if they reference these. I think they're just like that's what your. They just tell you what your tokens do, so I think they're just a reference. And these cards, I don't know who they belong to because there's no class identifiers on them. I assume the Sean, but I figured it'll happen. I saw their pictures explained somewhere in the rule book because there's a section that describes how everybody plays. But I don't know who that was referring to because I've only read the people that I had to teach. So basically I read how the rogue plays, how the ranger plays, the wizard, and the paladin, because that's who was going to play with me and Brittany. So I learned for them so I could teach them. But I didn't learn how to play with the berserker or whatever the other ones are. Speaking of berserker. Okay, so let's separate those. So get the berserker. So these are additional skills, which makes sense because in the core box, the skills don't go up to 10, they only go up to 5. Okay, so it's, part of me really wants to just sit here and read these because Rogue and Ranger, especially since those are the characters me and Brittany are playing with. Okay, shot, okay. Alright, let's check out some berserker skills. I'm not gonna go through all these, just give you Glancy few. There you go. Yeah, the rogue, if you get certain skills, they put more tokens in your bag. I think I mentioned at the beginning you pull out 3 tokens and you flip those tokens over to augment the actions you take if they match up. Because if you pull out a bunch of attack tokens but all you're doing is spending movement points, then you still flip them over but you get no extra benefit for them. So it's a little random, but when it lines up, it's really powerful. Oh, it's paladin skill cards here. Oh, that's because the paladins are double-sided. Because they have their blessed version and their non-blessed version. So I'm just gonna show you. I guess I can go closer to the camera. There's the blessed version of some of them. And that one is not blessed, has no blessed option. So let's stick that there. And now let's get some treasure going. Epic treasure. Neither me or Brittany have received any epic treasure yet. We've gotten a lot of common and some rare stuff. Why am I skipping through this? They're all different. I like sets. We haven't got any sets yet, but I'm looking forward to incorporating sets into our character builds. Okay. Oh, that's cool. I'm wearing something cloak like that right now on my Ranger. if I remember correctly, generates 1 mana when I'm defending, which is not the greatest for the ranger. It's probably best suited for the wizard or something, but it's what I got. It was better than the basic body armor because it did exactly because that's all I had up until now. And I haven't pulled anything else. The basic body armor basically lets you roll 1 defensive blue die, and the rule I have lets you do that as well as generate 1 extra mana. So it's one of those things, like, it does a little extra thing that the ranger can't take full advantage of, but it's better than nothing. And like, everybody does use mana for one thing or another. That's a pretty armor set. Okay. There were a lot of cards in that box. Lots. Oh, I appreciate that. Check it out. Can you see that? It has, you probably can't see it from there, but it has a little treasure chest there. So it's basically saying, put your treasures here, your treasure cards. It's pretty cool. Now, here's the thing. I've sleeved all the cards. And now because they're sleeved, they don't fit in that little holder that comes in the core box. Those little spaces, little gaps for them. Unless I'm putting them in there wrong. But like, the dashboards were designed with the sleeves in mind, so they fit fine. But I'm thinking the organizer box will solve all my problems. I hope so. Oh, these look awesome! Check it out! Oh, this is the... He looks good. This is not what I was freaking out about. There's 6 of those. Like, there's his leader. Looks really good. This is an awesome box of minis. Let me give you a heads up on that, because that looks great. And look at this guy. That's Raphael. Archangel Raphael. Badass Ninja Turtle. Started off as a painter, badass and Ninja Turtle, and now badass angel. I'm gonna zoom in on him because he's got so much going on. Oh, I like his shield. Okay, zoom in on him. I like the folds that are going there. Very powerful looking character. You know, he looks like Brittany loves that guy, the inspirational guy. I forgot what his name was. So he's telling you to jump around. He's got a huge jaw. He looks like him. I forgot what his name was. He's like the inspirational gurus to the stars. I completely forgot his name, but that's who he is. That's who he's right there. Brittany would be so upset if she found out that I forgot his name. And then look at this guy. Ooh, look at this. Since we're close up, let's look close up. A little surprisey. Oh. I like the tiny mini. It was not tiny, so big. Amongst this, like, swirl of craziness. Let's zoom out so you can see what's going on here. Look at that. How cool that is. And you can see, compared to my hand, how big he is. Looks so good. That's awesome. Love that mini. But look at this thing. That was one of the ones. Everything other than the small guy, the first small guy I showed you, wowed me. Well, the small guys are awesome too, but look at this. Look at this. Come on. That's wicked. I'm more impressed with this guy than I am the dragon, the demon dragon. I would like to see a giant version of this guy. Like, he's pretty big enough he's big enough as it is. It's beautiful in a creepy insect angel type of way. Look at him. Just admire that. I love the little wings. Looks really good. That's awesome. Just notice his tail. Just notice this. His tail is kind of snake at the end of it. And he's huge. Look. It's like the size of my face. I got a big face. Okay. Put all that away. Forgot these. Two more boxes to go. Two more boxes to go. This is gonna be like a 4-hour unboxing. Definitely gonna do this in multiple videos. Yeah. No. At least one a day. Something like that. Okay. We're zoomed in. 4 Horsemen. As always, great art. So let's see what we got. Boom! Rule book. Oh, rules and quests. Okay, this one's a lot thinner than the others. Okay. So, oh, do you fight all 4 horsemen? The 4 horsemen are the boss? That's interesting. And don't know what those do. Let's hide those. I don't want to see those yet. Oh, that's cool. And dark. Okay, so those are all the tiles for them. Okay, this box might not take so long because there is only, you might have guessed it, 4 horsemen. We got plague, famine, death, and war. Okay. So there's stuff, I'm guessing rules on how to play them. And more stuff, don't even know, these don't, you don't get cards like this in the core box, so I'm not exactly sure what those do. Abilities that you draw to see how they screw you over, maybe? Would be my guess. All right. So let's just kind of going through those. Like the artwork on Famine. I like the artwork on all of them. Give you a quick glance at what those the text says. Or let's look at some minis. Mini time. Okay. Way. Let's put it there. Okay, so this is. Hold on, I want to know which one's which. This is death. Death for coming out. This is War. He's got the armored horse. Makes sense. I'll zoom in on him because I want to see his face. Looks intense. Yep, someone's gonna get hurt really bad. Cool, and then we got, this looks like Plague. I went quiet there, just really admiring the horse. I like horse minis. I think this is more horse minis than any other game. And this is, is this Famine? No. Yep, it's Famine. Sorry, I was looking at the cards. Like, it's the only one left over, so it makes sense, but I lost track of what I was saying. Yep, she's thin, she looks hungry. Makes sense for Famine. That was it for that box. It was a short one. It was a short one. Now, last box. Oh, never mind. We have the organizer. But I'm really curious about the organizer. Organizer is not usually something I'd leave till last, but it's the box that I've been most curious about because like I knew there was gonna be cool minis in all these things, and I didn't know what kind of minis to expect, but I have no idea about I don't remember ordering the organizer. But looking at all this stuff, I'm excited to get organized. Okay. Oh, earlier on we saw a picture of this hug bear, so I know its name, and I was hoping that there was a mini, but it's been so long I forgot about him, and now here he is. This set, I'm gonna love. I love it already. Brittany's gonna go gaga. She's gonna want to play this right away. Look at this beauty. This is amazing. I want to see a whole game in this just crazy cool pink rainbow over the top unicorns, cherubs. This is what I want to see. I want to see Care Bears CMON style. Care Bears meet hate is what I want to see. Box is puffy. That's why I stopped. It's weird. Oh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be so good. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, I love it already. Okay, so we got rainbows. We had Hug Bear. Oh yeah. He's awesome. Let's see what we got here. This rainbow. This is like that death pit that we saw of all the souls, except it's a rainbow and it's got little teddy bears floating in it. And they're riding unicorns. But look at the shadows. It's like messed up toys. Ooh, candy. This is my favorite box. And it's making me want jujubes. This is great. I like how like they're all chipper, and then you get to the darkness and you see like they've got claws and baseball bats. But look, happy, happy, not so happy. Look, they're all like messed up and angry, and then by the time they get there, they're all happy. Look, it's a chocolate fountain. Oh man, look at that. Oh, that's boxed. That's interesting. Let's look at some cards. We'll take a look at some cherubs. Okay, so Armand cards. Oh man, this is gonna just be epic. Happy Mace. Who do I play this with? As in like which characters? Cherry Bombs, Heartbow, Marshmallow Wand. Sorry, I can't make that out. Spinny umbrella. Sorry, I was looking at it through the camera on the angle. I couldn't make it out. I think the cards pink? I think there's just so much pink in them, they look pink from the side. Okay. Yeah, they are pink. What is this? This says Big Bad. Attack. Double the amount of wounds dealt. Hold on. What's happening? Okay, so the back of them I think all look the same. Which is an amazing piece of art. I want that poster for the house. And then there's just lots of these. And no idea what these do. What do you put here? Do you put cherubs there? Do you put unicorns there? Are there cards? Anything? Do they just stack? Is it like a thing where they just stack like this and you just get a bunch of abilities? Like, I don't know. I don't know. But the names are also like Big Bad, Pretty, Delightful, Brainy, Spicy, Cute, Charming, Hasty, Sweet, Stuffed, Happy, Lovely. Alright, let's take a look. Oh, it's like reaching for them, forgetting that, of course, they're sealed in plastic. These are adorable. Let's move this stuff so I can get away. My fingers are so dried out now. I'm going through this cardboard. We're gonna zoom in on these guys. Look at the little bums. Look at the little cherub bums. Oh my god, you gotta put some cream on. Little cherub bums. They're adorable and evil looking. I did legitimately just go put some cream on because the cardboard is killing me. Oh, look at the leader. How adorable are they? Oh my god. And then the unicorns. Look at this. You kidding me with this? This is awesome. And then the leader got some scars. This is a badass. This unicorn's seen some stuff. Okay. And now the piece, the resistance. We are going to look at Hugbear himself. Oh yeah. I want to see this guy painted pink. What a badass. Love the chain. Love the chain. Okay. Oh, did we look at these? I think we did. Did we look at these? Did you see these? I don't remember. I'll go through a few of them. Just so you can... No, I don't think we did because I don't remember seeing that art. Anyways. Awesome. Awesome. There is only one box left to go, and it's the organizer box. And I know some of you are going to check out, they'll be like, the minis are done, peace out. But if you've gotten CMON projects before, you're probably going to want to see what they offer as a organization solution, because CMON games are great, but they're massive. You can have a collection that looks huge and it just be like 6 CMON games. 2 CMON games. Okay, so let's get this box. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. There's no... Yeah, okay. It's a light box. So it's not very big. Move this thing out of the way. Alright. Let's see what we got here. I am so curious. I pictured, I pictured one of those, I don't know, it wouldn't make any sense, but I'm picturing like those folding do-a-tank things where people keep their, they look like an accordion binder. That's what I'm imagining. It doesn't make any sense how that would help sort anything for this game, but that's what I've had in my head ever since I see Organizer. What's in here? Can't see. Not what I expected. Don't know what this is. It's an organizer. I know that much. But what are you organizing? Is this for all like the mobs and stuff? Is like so? Hold on. I'm gonna have to go to the Kickstarter page and find out what the hell is the deal with this thing. Get out of here. This is. It's an invisible tray. It's really well made, actually. It's very nice. I think this is just. I think. So it organizes all your cards, I believe. So you can hold like your roaming monsters there, your mobs there, and your mob cards and everything here. This, if this is meant to be used during gameplay, like this is awesome. Let me explain why. Because as soon as you put the sleeves on them, which the sleeves are nice because the sleeves are like matte, so they're not overly glossy, so they don't get a lot of reflection, but you do still get some. But you stack them on top of each other, and they slide, and it was really annoying. I was using the plastic holders I got from Zombicide Invader. I think it was Zombicide Invader. I've been using those on a lot of games, and I've been using those, but I don't have so many of those, and there's so many stacks. This is wicked. That's what it's for. This is great. All right, well, that's it. That's it, finally. We're at the end of the Massive Darkness 2 massive unboxing. That's what I'm going to put on the thumbnail. Wow. Okay, that was huge. It's going to be, I don't know how long this is. 4 hours? I lost track of time. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I hope to put out more content for this game because I'm going to go and play it like right now. I have some videos to edit. I gotta edit some videos and then I'm gonna go out and play it. Alright, I will see you guys next week. Thanks for joining us. If you like this video and you want to see more, subscribe to our channel. It's the best way to keep up to date with everything we do here at Board Game Coffee. But if you want to see more right now, we got plenty of videos to choose from. And if that's not enough, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I'm Mark Maya, and this is Board Game Coffee. And remember, have fun, keep gaming, be social. See you next week.